Good morning, guys. Without missing a day, I'm here in the park for the morning walk. So, you know what? These beautiful flowers inspired me a lot. How? Because a gardener comes here every day and waters every day to these plants so that the flowers are blooming still in the middle of the summer. But why human beings are failing in their life? Failure is the part of the life, but I mean to why they are quitting their goal because their lack of their daily effort. I hope you guys get it me. So look at the views, the morning. How is the morning? It's a wonderful. I am here at the forest park, and this is the emerging morning for me. Yeah, thank you guys for watching me. Please subscribe my channel for grow together.